morning students. Today's class we will start the new chapter number 2, data representation. From that we are going to learn the new topic is digital number system. We will start that. Let us learn the data representation. What does mean by data representation? Yes, we are representing the data in a computer in the form of digits. How we are representing the data in a computer in the form of digits? Digital number system. Because computer it is a digital system, we represent the data as like in the form of digital number system. There are various number systems are used to represent the digital representation. The most common number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. What is meant by decimal number system? Decimal number system, it is also called as base 10 system. We will see the number system one by one with example, then you can understand clearly. Decimal number system, it is a base 10 value, binary it is an base 2 value, octal it is an base 8 value, hexadecimal it is an base 16. Decimal number system means it is an 10 value. Okay, what is the decimal number system? Decimal number system it is an 10, okay, base 10. Binary number it is an zeros and 1. Octal number it is an 8. That means it will take the range value 0 to 7. Hexadecimal it is the base value 16. We will learn the number system one by one. Decimal number system. The first number system is what? Decimal number system. It is decimal number system, it is also called as what? Base 10. Desa means 10. That's why the system is called as what? Decimal system. The decimal system is composed of 10 numerals or symbols. It is composed of what? 10 numerals or symbols. These 10 symbols are what? 0 to 9. You can represent the values from 0 to 9, the decimal number system. It is also called as what? Base 10 system because it has a 10 digit. Because it has a 10 digit values. Did you understand this? So decimal number system means it is in 10 numerals or symbols. The symbols are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Desa means it is a 10. That is why this system is called as decimal system. It has a 10 digit value. Okay. The next thing is positional value in a decimal numbers. For example, we are representing the value 2512. After that decimal point 1971. Here we have 8 digit number. Here we have 8 digit. How we will represent the decimal system? This is the positional value in the decimal number system. So the first value what? 2. The second one is 5. The third one is 1, 2. The next 1971. Okay. From the decimal point. It is a decimal point. The decimal point on the left side, the right side, it will start the values base 10 negative value 10 minus 1. On your left side, it will start the value what? Base 10, it is a positive value 10 power 0. The next digit what? 10 power 1. The next one is 10 power 2. The next one is 10 power 3. After the decimal point, it will start the value base 10 negative value, that is minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4. So that one here the first value is a what? Most significant digit. MSD means what? Most significant digit. LSD means what? Least significant digit. Why we are calling it as a most significant digit? Because how you can read this number? Yes, the 2 it represent the value what? 1000, 2500 and 510 12. Yes, it is the digit, it represents the value, it is a what? 100. It is a most weight. That is why we are calling it as an what? Most significant digit. The least value it is called as what? Least significant digits. Can you understand? See, the decimal point. Okay, at the decimal point, from the last digit you have to start the value what? 10 power of value. Power value it is a 0, positive value. Base 10, next to 10 power 1, next 10 power 2, 10 power 3, it will increase. Here up on the right side, it will, you have to start the negative value, 10 power minus 1, base 10 value minus 2, 10 minus 3, base 10 minus 4. Did you understand this? Okay. The next one is binary number system. The next system is what? Binary number system. I said no, it will represent the value, it is a what? Zeros and 1. There are only two symbols are possible here, zeros and 1. The base 2 system can be used to represent any quantity. Here we can represent the value using base 2. What is the value? Binary number system base what? 2. Here binary system also has positional value system, wherein each binary system its own value that can be expressed as a power of 2. We will see that positional values in a binary numbers. Example 1010.0101. I said no, binary number means what is the digit? Zeros and 1. 0, 1. Okay. Now we are representing the value here. So the first bit is what? Most significant bit. Here least significant bit. Okay. The first one is from the decimal binary point. Decimal point, it is a what? Binary point. From that on the right, after the binary point, the right side, you have to start the value base 2 value with the negative value 2 power minus 1. The next 2 power minus 2, the next 2 power minus 3, the next 2 power minus 4. Before the decimal point, on your left side, have to start the value base 2 positive value 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This is the way the positional values in the binary numbers represented. Did you understand this? What is the base value of the binary number system? It is a 2. We are representing the value base 2 with 0. After the decimal point, you can start the value base 2 minus 1. The first bit is what? Most significant bit. The last bit is what? Least significant bit. The next one is octal number system. The third number system, it is what? Octal number system. What is the base value here? 8. What is the base value? 8. It has base 8, it meaning that 8 unique symbols. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The values of octal number 0 to 7. Octal number system also has positional value system, wherein each octal digit can be represented the base value 8. Base value 8. We will see the positional values in an octal number system. What is our example value? 3721.2406. So this point is called as what? Octal point. This point is called as what? Octal point. After that octal point, how to represent the value? Base value 8, and with negative value minus 1. The next 8 minus 2, 8 power of minus 3, 8 power of minus 4. Before the octal point, from the last, you have to start the value what? Base power 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. This is the way you have to represent an octal number. Next class we will see the conversion of that decimal number system from one number to another number. Okay, so this is the positional values in an octal numbers. The next number is what? Hexadecimal number. The next system is what? Hexadecimal number. What is the base value? It is an 16. What is the base value here? 16. So it can accept, it has an 16 possible digit symbols. It uses the value 0 to 9 and the letter A to F. These are all the digits of the hexadecimal number. What is the digit? 0 to 9 and A to F. Hexadecimal system also have positional value system. It has an own value expressed as a power of 16. Expressed as a power of 16. This is the positional values in an hexadecimal number. 16 power of from this hexadecimal point means this is an hexadecimal point. How you will represent the value after the decimal point? You can start the value base 16 power of minus 1, base 16 power of minus 2, 16 power of minus 3, 16 power of minus 4. Before the decimal point, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3. So this is the way you can represent the positional values in an hexadecimal number system. Okay, so what are the number system we have completed today? The first number system is what? What is mean by data representation? We will start again. What is mean by data representation? How we are representing the data in a computer in the form of digits. How we are representing the form data in a computer? The digital number system, digits. So the digital number system and have various number system, but the most common system what we are using is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system means it is an base 10 value. That means it has the digits 0 to 9. Okay, binary number system means it is an base 2 value. It has the value what? Zeros and 1. Zeros and 1s. Octal number system means it is a base value 8. Octal number system, what is the base value? 8. It has a digit 0 to 7. The next hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system means it is a base value 16. Base value 16. It has the value symbols 0 to 9. It is a decimal. A to F it is an alphabets. Okay. A to F it is an alphabets. Decimal number system. It is also called as what? Base 10 value. Why we are calling it as a base 10? Because decim means it is a 10. Decim means what? 10. Decim means what? 10. Okay. The next one is it has the positional values in a decimal number system. How we are representing the values? The most from the first bit is what? Most significant digit. The last bit is what? Least significant digits. In the decimal point, after the decimal point, you can represent the number, it is a base 10 with a negative value. Start from the negative value 10 power minus 1. And then it will continue up to the last digit 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. Okay. Before the decimal point, you can start the value base 10 with the positive value 0. The next one 10 power 1. The next 10 power 2. The next 10 power 3. The next thing is binary number system. Binary number system I said no, zeros and 1. And what is the base value of binary number system? Base 2. How we are representing the binary number system? The first bit is what? Most significant bit. The last bit is what? Least significant bit. This is the binary point. After the binary point, you can represent the value as a base value 2. 2 power minus 1. You can start that after the decimal point base 2 minus 1. Then you continue that values up to the last digit, up to the end of the least significant bit. You have to base 2 value the power of negative value. 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4. Before the binary point, you represent the value as an base value 2 with a positive value 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Octal number system, it is on base value what? Octal number system, it is on base value 8. Base value 8. So you can use this base value to represent the value from 0 to 7. 0 to 7. Only it has a value what? 8 digits. Okay. How we representing the octal numbers in the positional values? Octal point. After the octal point, you can represent the value as a base value power of negative value. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 2. Okay. Before that is octal point, you represent the value. It is on what? 8 0, 8 1. Now the next number system is hexadecimal number system. It is on base value 16. Base value 16. It has the digits what? 0 to 9. 16 value what ma? 0 to 9 it is a numbers. The letter after that letter A to F it is a letter. Hexadecimal means what? Hexadecimal. That means it is a base value 16. It will start the value 0 to 9 and start the value letters A to F. How you can represent the hexadecimal point? You can represent the hexadecimal point. After that point, you can start the base value 16. Base value 16 with a negative value minus 1. Before the decimal point, you have to start that base value 16 power of 0 with a positive value. Positive value. So what are the number system we have seen? Decimal symbol system. Base value it is a what? 10. The next one is binary number system, base value 2. Octal number system, it is an 8. It has a digit 0 to 7. Hexadecimal 16, base 16, it has the value 0 to 9, letters A to F. Did you understand this? Thank you students. We will see in the next class with the conversion of the numbers from one number to another numbers. Thank you students.